You may have heard or noticed a lot of adults are talking about coronavirus. There is a new kind of virus spreading around the world, and it's called the coronavirus. It's called coronavirus because the corona word means crown in Latin, and the virus looks like he's wearing a spiky crown. Mostly it makes people cough and they feel very tired and have a fever. But the older people and the people who have other conditions can get very sick from it. The disease the virus causes is called COVID-19. You can stop the virus by simply washing your hands. This means adding soap and rubbing your hands with water together to keep all your fingers and nails clean. You can sing the ABC or come up with another tune that lasts about 20 seconds. If you're not able to use soap and water, you can always pack hand sanitizer. Also, try to keep your hands out of your face. So, there will be no rubbing of your eyes, your nose, or putting your hands in your mouth. That way, if there's any of the virus on your hands, you won't give it away to enter your body. Also remember, you must cough or sneeze into your elbow like a vampire and stay home when you're feeling sick, or tell your mummies or guardians you're not well. We must also be social distance. This means staying 6 feet apart. Remember, at all times when you're out the house, your mask must cover your nose and your mouth. If you're in an area where you're surrounded with people you don't know, eat your own food. Don't share any of your snacks or food with friends. If you're doing homeschool and you're on online class and your friend or cousin is close by, remember to use your own school supplies. And last but not least, but most importantly, keep your mask on your face. How to wear your mask? Ask your parents to grab a mask for you and let's begin. First thing, you're going to wash your hands. So grab some soap and water and wash your hands. If you don't have soap and water, do you remember what you're supposed to use? Did you say sanitizer? Good job! Next, put the mask over your nose and under your chin. Moving forward, make sure your mask is snug against your cheeks. If your mask is too tight or you're feeling that you cannot breathe properly, please inform your parents and they will adjust it to suit. Number 4. Once 1 to 3 steps is out of the way, just remember, keep your hands away from the mask. Number 5. Remove the mask by pulling on the straps. You're only going to remove the mask once your parent says it's okay. And lastly, throw the mask in the trash or you can put it in a bag to take home. If you're using reusable masks, remember, after every use, you're going to spray it with Lysol to sanitize it. And when the week is up, you're going to give it a nice clean wash. In this science lesson, I am going to demonstrate how you can attract coronavirus germs if you don't wear your mask. What you'll need is black pepper, some detergent soap or hand soap, and a sink. The water represents the environment that we're in. And the black pepper represents all the germs and all the corona diseases that's in our environment. Yucky! And the soap represents our mask and hand sanitizer. Did you notice once the soap touched the germs, it disappeared from that area? That's why we must always wash our hands and wear our mask. Now let's look at it in slow motion. Just remember, the soap represents wearing a mask or sanitizer.